Hi, I'm Steve Pearson, the electrical tutor for Test Meter Group. Today I'm going to talk about our new range of QuickPAT testers. The QuickPAT 100, the 200 and the QuickPAT 300. There is a growing demand for professional, easy to use and competitively priced testers. This is why at Test Meter Group we've developed our own range of appliance testers. Starting off in the range we have the QuickPAT 100, a very simple and easy to use tester. This tester will display pass or fail but not give numerical readings. Ideal for the likes of charity shops, service engineers who'd like to test the tools quickly and easily. And this starts the range of the QuickPAT testers. Moving up in the range we have the QuickPAT 200. The QuickPAT 200 is ideal for recurring testing due to the fact it will give you a numerical reading. Moving on to the QuickPAT 300, this will do additional testing such as RCD testing, earth leakage, touch leakage testing, mains powered, so will allow items to be run up to do load testing. All three of these testers are IT safe, and all three can also drop your insulation resistance voltage from 500 volts down to 250 volts, allowing you to test surge protected items including extension leads. These testers will also allow you to download and store up to 1,500 tests, which is quite unusual at testers at this price point. We supply kits for these testers, the small business and landlords kits, the industrial kits and the maintenance kits. For more information on any of these three testers, please contact our sales team on 0113 248 9966 or check out our website at test-meter.co.uk. Thanks for watching.